No, no, Finn. Dirty. It's for doggies. It's dirty for doggies. No, no. No, no. It's dirty. Let's go find something else to play with, huh? No, no. Dirty. We're not going to fight over it, son. It's dirty. No, no. Let's go find something new. Yeah. Ah, blast. I really just like turning on lights and having fans go on and lights not. Did you find something on the floor? I think you found a line. Are you going to bump your head? No. You're just going to be very, very cute. It's down the hallway, huh, son? Yeah? You clapping your hands? You gonna come get Mama? You gonna come get Mama? Okay. There's my boy.